Hello and welcome to Saurabh Sir's classes. Today we are discussing the Indira Gandhi MSc Statistics paper. What are the values of x that satisfy the equation x square plus 4x plus 3 equal to 0? So x square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0, and we can see that the coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant term is 3. So we have 1 into 3 which is equal to 3, and we have to break 4 into two parts such that their product gives 3, which means plus 3 and plus 1. So we can write this as x square plus 3x plus x plus 3 equal to 0, or x into x plus 3 plus 1 into x plus 3 is equal to 0, or x plus 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore either x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. So either x equal to minus 3 or x equal to minus 1. So minus 3 and minus 1 are the values of x that satisfy the equation that is given, which is option number 3 here, which is the correct choice. The next question says that a company's profits have doubled for each of the 4 years it has been in existence. If the total profits of the last 4 years were 30 million, what was the profit for the first year of operation? So let the profit for first year, profit of first year be x. So profit of second year is double of that, or 2x. Profit of third year is double of that, or 4x. Profit of fourth year is double of that, or 8x. So the total of this is 15x. This is the total profit for all the 4 years. Total for 4 years is 15x, and 15x equal to 30 million. So x equal to 2 million. So option 2, 2 million is the right choice. The next question says that the number of solutions of the equation mod x plus 1 is equal to mod x minus 1 is what? So here there are three ranges in which x can lie. X can be greater than equal to 1. If this is the case, then x minus 1 is greater than equal to 0, and x plus 1 is greater than equal to 0. So in this case, this equation will become x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1, or plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So this is not true. This cannot be true. So x cannot be greater than equal to 1. So the next possibility is x lying between minus 1 and x lying between minus 1 and plus 1. So x is greater than minus 1 and less than plus 1. So if this is the case, then x plus 1 is greater than 0 and x minus 1 is less than 0. So we can write this as x plus 1 is equal to minus of x minus 1, or x plus 1 is equal to minus x plus 1, or 2x is equal to 0, or x equal to 0. So this is one possible solution of the given equation. And the last possibility is if x is less than equal to minus 1. So in that case, x plus 1 is less than equal to 0, and x minus 1 is less than equal to 0. So the equation will become minus x minus 1 is equal to minus x plus 1. Again, this cannot be possible because minus 1 equal to plus 1 is not feasible. So x cannot be less than equal to minus 1. So the only possible solution is x equal to 0. So therefore, this equation will have only one solution, and option 2 is the right choice. The next question says find the sum of the infinite series whose nth term is given by n minus 1 factorial. So Tn is the nth term which is given by n minus 1 factorial. So this can be written as n minus 1 plus 1 by n minus 1 factorial, or n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial plus 1 by n minus 1 factorial. So this is equal to 1 by n minus 2 factorial plus 1 by n minus 1 factorial. So that means T1 is equal to n by n minus 1 factorial, which is equal to 1 by 0 factorial, which is equal to 1. T2 is equal to 1 by 1 factorial, 1 by 0 factorial plus 1 by 1 factorial. T3 is equal to 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial. T4 is equal to 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial, and so on. So if we take the sum of the series, the sum would be equal to this. T2 can be written as 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial. So you see that the terms 1 by 1 factorial repeats twice, 1 by 2 factorial repeats twice, 1 by 3 factorial will also repeat twice, because this would be 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial, and so on. So 1 by 3 factorial repeats twice. So every term gets repeated twice, and in addition to that we will have 1 plus 1. So S would be equal to 2 plus 2 by 1 factorial plus 2 by 2 factorial plus 2 by 3 factorial, and so on up to infinity. So this is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 2 by 2 plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial, and so on, which is equal to 2e. This term is equal to e because e to the power x is defined as 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus so on. So this is equal to 2e. So option 5, 2e, is the correct choice.